Okay, seagull sex tape part 2.
Okay. Well, Chad left because of her whorish ways, but now look who's coming.
See, no more Chad. Chad was right here.
Okay, stop.
Okay. The little girl's still missing, by the way.
Felipe is walking away and shows Felipa, and look.
And my camera doesn't capture both of them walking away at the same time.
And now
they got into a fight.
Chuck is doing the fuck he did. And look, and he's followed by his
he's flying away.
Look, by his 2 crew.
Toucan Sam.
Toucan Sam and Tony the pirate.
Where's Tony?
Tony's been there. And Tony's like still sitting there.
I scared her.
Bye, Felipa.
Bye.
And now Chuck
so now we're.
himself.
I thought he was Toucan Sam.
That is Toucan Sam.
No, that's Pirate Beans or whatever you named him.
What is Tony the pirate?
I'm so lost. So now I'm filming a lonely emo seagull who thinks he's Toucan Sam.
No! Toucan Sam's left.
Helicopter. Helicopter. That's what happened when you have ADD. You randomly scream helicopter when they pass over your face. Helicopter.
Pete.
Pete.
Don't look at my feet. Go away.
Die.
I really want to know what that little
I found an old seagull.
That is Toucan Sam.
No, he's Lewis, a war veteran.
And that's Tony the pirate.
I have 26 seconds on this.
Hi, helicopter.
Helicopter. Helicopter.
Okay,
Ow.
that was our vacation at the beach. Bye.